fire. Oh, Alright guys, don't forget to go to lsnasty.com to win this badass Trailblazer right here. 650 horsepower, nitrous fed, 4-door leather seats. It's absolutely bad to the bone. We got our swag boxes up there. They are double entries for the whole entire giveaway. So don't miss the opportunity. Get some badass limited edition merch, some badass stickers that you can only get right there, and entered to win this thing. So go to lsnasty.com, first link in the description below, and enjoy today's video. Did you wake up this morning and say you wanted to drive to work in a 650 horsepower Trailblazer? Well, now is your chance. Every dollar you spend on lsnasty.com gets you automatically entered to win this hot rod right here. Nitrous fed, 650 horsepower, RC component wearing, leather interior having Trailblazer can be yours. lsnasty.com or the first link in the description below. Get your entries, because if you're not entered, you can't win this. Alright guys, I don't know if Petty John's gonna enter this video or not, but we're just gonna be very transparent and talk about how this all works, because as you can see, we got the shop looking good, but as far as the progress on the cars go, it is not looking good. So I want to talk to you guys and let you guys know how this works. So let me set the camera down. I got to show you some goodies, because I've had some fans send some stuff in, and I have not done my job of showing you guys that, because it's been a mess here. Not making excuses. It's all on me. I take the blame for it. If you sent me some stuff and it hasn't showed up on the channel yet, it's my fault. But I got some stuff that I wrangled up that we're going to talk about, and then we're going to talk about how this all works, and we're going to go over the parts we got for the Colorado, because I got a lot of stuff, and that is going to be moving fast here in just a minute. Alright guys, so I got a couple boxes here. First off, I want to start off with some stickers. So these came in the mail all the way from Canada, and they crack me up. Big LDR guys. So this is hilarious. We have like a joke around the shop every time we do something. We're like, oh, big pro mod guys, big mini trucking guys, big turbo guys, and we say it a bunch. It's kind of like just us just goofing off. And someone literally got a picture of me and put me holding the black sheep and said big LDR guys. This came all the way from Canada. Kenny sent them down here. So Kenny, thank you. This made us laugh. This is on like all of our trucks, like all of our work trucks around here. All Chris's 450s got these on there. My 450 got this on there. Like, it's hilarious. And pretty much everyone that comes in here, I stick one of these stickers on their window. My little shop truck's got one on there. My Dodge has got one on there. Like my F-250's got one on there. All of our work trucks have these on there, just so you know, we pull up to a job site. If they don't know I'm a big LDR guy, now they do. So these are great. Love these. Big LDR guys right here. Can't forget. I know it's been a while since we ran LDR, but we're about to put the sheet black in LDR trim and go testing. I made a video a while ago where my shoes were just smoked. I got some new Nikes and then I smoked these. I go through shoes like you would not believe. I try to not get a nice pair of shoes to wear in the shop here when I'm working on stuff, but then like we're painting and everything. My black Nikes, now they're like whitish gray with some red paint splatter on there, so it looks all right. But I just wear them out. Like, I'll blow these things out in no time. It's like I'm walking around with a flat tire. So I made a video and I was like, hey, can someone send me some shoes? And my man Andrew down in Florida hooked a brother up. My guy. My guy. Look at this. Dude, laces were so last year. I can honestly say I haven't tried these on, but I guarantee you they're going to sit in the shop, and one day someone's going to mess their shoes up and need to put these on, and I will record it. So this is hilarious. Thank you for that, Andrew. And thank you for helping me out when I was in need, because I needed some shoes. I had blowouts left and right. My socks were showing through my shoes. It was not it. All right. The good stuff. Premium pipe tobacco. What is it? Privateer Tobacco Company. Out of North Carolina. Ada, North Carolina. You guys have sent us shirts before. If you guys pay attention to the shirts that everyone's wearing, whenever someone sends a bunch of shirts in case anyone wants to, our address is down in the description below. You can send your company stuff in here. I have a bunch of stuff in the engine assembly room, but it's taped up right now because of construction, so I have a couple other boxes of shirts. But if you guys send us shirts, what I do is I just give them out to the guys, so then everyone's wearing them. I'll put one on. We'll be wearing them in random videos. But they've sent us stuff before. This is a big box full of shirts. In case anyone's wondering the sizes, it's large, extra large, and 2X. That fits about everybody. These shirts right here, Logan loves these, so he's going to be happy to get some more of these. I've got the good stuff. Gotta love it. Hats have been around on the channel, but now we got some new shirts here. Look at these. Got some blue, some black with a frocket, some red. Dude, this is more of a merch plug than my own merch on my own channel. We got some dark blue, or darker blue, deep ocean blue maybe. I don't know. What about? Oh my God, there's even more. Not quite construction green. We'll call it like a bright olive green. Let's see. We got Barney purple. Dude, I can't. Oh, these are nice, dude. Oh, listen, we're gonna be looking good here. Thank you guys for sending us this stuff. If you guys want to send us anything, use this as your company's chance to get a little bit of free marketing, because I'll just talk about it on my video. I gotta go and get in the engine room at some point to get all the stuff out. Maybe in the next video I will. But appreciate everything you guys send. If you guys send stickers, we put them up on the doors. If you guys send these stickers, I'll put them on everyone's truck that comes in the parking lot. But that's pretty much it. It's what I had just out in front of me. So, got a lot of stuff going on here in the shop. I guess let's dive into this video. We got Adam, Midnight Fabrication, coming up from Florida. Matt from Gross Performance Solutions / LS Nasty coming down here. We're gonna spearhead this Colorado build to get it knocked out as fast as possible, as efficient as possible, so we can get this wrapped up and onto the next project. We're gonna try to divide and conquer. I'm kind of like I'm not a fabricator and I'm not a wiring guy. Matt does absolutely great wiring, does really good fabrication. Adam does great wiring, great fabrication. They're gonna split it up. So Adam's gonna do a lot of the fabrication, and Matt's gonna go ahead and do like the setup on the car and the wiring. So what I mean by setup is, as you can see there, we just got the engine set in there. We still gotta hang a lot of things on there. We gotta have motor plate. Sorry, we already have the motor plate. That's the only thing there. We gotta hang a lot of things off the motor plate. We gotta have our oil pump, fuel pump, which gets hung off there and clocked so we have proper belt tension. That's gotta all be done. Fuel filter, oil filter. Then we gotta plumb it and run the lines, but it's all gotta be laid out properly. So it's not just like, oh, we gotta put this on there and you stick it on there. It's like playing a game of chess, not checkers. Some people play checkers and you get a car that looks like shit. I mean, you take the front end off, you pop the hood, and there's just shit everywhere. And then there's some cars that have the same exact parts on there, and it just looks way cleaner. Having it cleaner provides a number of benefits. One, it's easier to work on. Two, looks better. So when you pop the hood, you're not like, what the hell is that? And three, if there's an issue, a lot of things are easier to address because you don't have like 12 things going over it. So we're going to try to have multiple things getting worked on the truck at once. We have to build some headers. Headers are going to be a pain in the ass. There's no good way to fit headers in this thing. It just sucks. I don't like building headers. I don't think Adam likes building headers. I don't think Matt likes building headers, but we're going to build some headers. So I got some material coming in from Stainless Bros. We got 2 1/4 inch tubing. I got some collectors from the guys down at ProFab. They sent me these. They got the little spike on there, so like we got some nice shit. 2 1/4 inch to 3 1/2, and then we're gonna go. I've gone back and forth in a couple videos, going back and forth between the 3 1/2 and the 3 inch, and everyone's like, man, you need to run 4 inch hot side. And then I was talking with Matt, and I was like, man, if we run the bigger stuff, obviously the bends are bigger, the tubing's bigger, takes up more real estate. Then we got to thinking, you know, 500 cubic inch motor, okay? Each bank is providing all the airflow to each turbo. On the Black Sheep, we run 1 7/8" headers, 3-inch charge pipe, dual 3-inch charge pipe, because the whole engine, both sides, 4 cylinders on each side, feed 1 turbo. This, each turbo, which is a 94, not a 98, still very large, is getting fed from half that. So you got essentially a 4-cylinder, 250 cubic inches, that's going to feed a 94 millimeter turbo. Do I think there is a difference between the 3.5, the 3-inch, and the 4-inch charge pipe? I personally think that air speed is more beneficial than any sort of back pressure issue, because the charge air can't get through there pretty much. So what I'm saying is, I don't think that 3 inch is restrictive at all. I think that's probably plenty to make as much power as we want to, as the turbos will allow, as the engine will allow. I get it where guys go to 3.5 inch. I get it where guys go to 4 inch. Not on this application. If you got a Hemi, right, with that's, you know, close to 600 cubic inches with twin 106s, definitely a step up from this. You got to think, on Slick Rick, we were only doing 3.5 inch. If you guys really pay attention, on a lot of the LS stuff, some guys will do 2.25 inch, 2.5 inch tubing and make just as much power. So don't get wooed by everyone on the internet saying you got to have the biggest this and the biggest that and this and that and this and that. Now, there are places where it is important, like the charge pipe from the compressor cover to the turbo. You want to have adequate airflow. You don't want that to be super small. This, the charge pipe is very short, very compact. I got a 105 throttle body. I'm going with dual 3-inch into a 4-inch, but the 4-inch section is very small. It's the same diameter as a throttle body. Not much I could do there. There's no point for me to go from dual 3-inch to a 5-inch for about this far and then go back down. So the layout of the turbo kit, I think it's going to look really good. We've put a lot of thought into it. I'd like to know your guys' thoughts on what we got to have. Do you guys think we need to run the 3.5 inch? Do you guys think that we need to run 4-inch going to each turbo? It's going to be interesting to see. I'm pretty confident that the 3-inch on each side will be plenty of airflow to make the turbos happy. Could be wrong. We could be redoing it. I don't know. That's why I make these videos and put them out so you guys can see it. That's pretty much what all we got going on. We got the truck sitting there. It's got the motor in there. I'm waiting on the converter from Circle D. Hopefully it ships out Friday, and then we can get stuff shoved up in there. It's going to suck because we're not going to have it in time to just kind of put it in there and then stick the transmission in there and be done with it. We're going to have to put the transmission in there, build the turbo kit, drop it out, stick the converter in the transmission, put it back up, and bolt it all back up. But hey, what's another hour of work at this point? We got our badass Race Tech seat in there. That's the new seat. It is the 119 series. Absolutely badass, super comfortable. Really, really, if you guys are going to go out and buy a seat, go to Race Tech and just get one. Just be done with it. It's the end-all, be-all of racing seats. Other than that, TISS Fab, waiting for the titanium to come in for the exhaust. We got EGT bungs. We got all of the stuff to really get this knocked out. I'm real excited to show you guys the progress that we make. I'm super excited because Matt, absolutely badass fabricator, working on cars, putting cars together. Adam, absolutely badass fabricator, working on cars, putting them together. So to have both of them here spearheading the build, me, I could say that I'm maybe a distraction. So, you know, hopefully that evens everything out. You know, we got two badass guys working, then me distracting a little bit, and pow, next thing you know, car's done, truck is done. On to the next one. We got plenty of stuff here. Our game plan for the next couple weeks is work on the truck, work on Eddie Murphy, hopefully get Wes's car fired up, get the cow fired up, and get Hank over here done. So it's been tough. I guess kind of the rundown on the channel is I don't like making these videos where I just stand here and talk. I rather make videos where I'm working on stuff. But I challenge myself to make a daily video, do daily uploads. It's definitely a challenge. And when I'm kind of behind the 8 ball like I have been, working on stuff that's not like my norm of just going here, working, filming it, edit it, upload it the next day, I kind of get behind the 8 ball and doing all the shop renovations. I haven't been able to catch up. So I figure you guys would appreciate the video giving you guys a rundown, kind of an update of what's been going on for the past day or so, then no video at all. So if you guys don't like the videos where I'm talking, I'm sorry. I don't know what to tell you. if I had more time where I could sit down and actually work on something and film a video and get progress done and show the progress, I would do that, but I just haven't had time. So if you guys can't appreciate that or understand that we just got a lot of irons in the fire, then just don't watch the videos until you see, like, hey, we're working the build series. When you guys start seeing build series videos, which will be tomorrow, we're gonna start a build series video. Tomorrow's video, you guys will see us put the bad apple together and hopefully firing it up. So I'm not apologizing to you guys for anything, because like I didn't do nothing. I just make videos. If they're not the videos that you guys like, the only thing I could say is go make the videos that you want to watch. That's what I do. Go get you a camera, go start a YouTube channel, go work on your car, do it better than me, do it better than all the other guys doing it. That's all I can say. If you don't like it, do it better. So that's what we got going on. I know we got a lot of stuff here, but the end is in sight. We're gonna have some badass videos, some badass fabrication videos, some badass wiring videos, a lot of tech coming up soon, and then we're going to a race, Pesos race up at Virginia. Hope to have both all steel, all glass cars out there, the Red Lobster and the Bad Apple, May 6th and 7th, Virginia Motorsports Park. So you guys definitely want to be there for that. And then some test and tune stuff. Hopefully we get Wes's car ready to go to the track, the cow back together, and Eddie Murphy done. So a lot of stuff going on. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, subscribe. Don't forget we got the giveaway going on. Go to lsnasty.com to get entered to win my 650 horsepower Trailblazer. And we'll see you guys tomorrow's upload.